Hey guys, welcome back to a new video today. Today I'm gonna review on my Pop It's fidgets. So first, I'll show you my Pop It watch. Yeah, this is my watch actually. I Pop It for you guys. And if you hear background noise, I'm sorry about that. It's kinda hard to, pop. But this is the soft side. Next is my blue splattered, or you know what they call it. Yeah. Mini Pop It. Yeah, splattered blue. Or you could see tie-dye. Now may Among Us one. My Among Us Pop It. This is actually a keychain one, kinda. Now, my blue circle Pop It. So, remember a few videos back then? Someone traded me this. Oh yeah. This one's the good side. It's the bad side. And the bad side, but it's pretty good. And I think I'm gonna make 2 videos per day. So yeah, I think I'll just do that. Or sometimes every week. Because I still need to do something. Now, my cupcake Pop It. So I traded it for my owl Pop It. I mean, yeah, that's a gift for my best friend. So yeah, she traded me this. So let's Pop It. That's what they're named for. Pop It. I kinda like this one because it's very soft. I think I like every Pop It. Next side. Meow, 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 meow. Yeah, I'm trying to sing the hair part. There's theme song, but I ain't good at it. Meow, 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 meow. Boom! Next is my glow in the dark Pop It. First, I need to turn off the light, so I need to turn it off now. Let's close the blinds. Then turn off the lights. Yep, I'm kind of scared. That's so dark, guys. I'm kind of scared. So I'm just gonna open the door right here. Then I'm gonna show you my Pop It. It's kind of glowing dark. I mean, yeah, you could kind of see. This is my glow in the dark Pop It. You can't really see it, but it's okay. And I'm kind of scared of the dark. Kinda. And last and all, my first Pop It. This is kinda a mini Pop It, but a long one. Oh, I'm gonna pop it for you guys. Bad side. Kinda good side. It's kinda soft. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Bye. Please subscribe and like. Bye.